Welcome to Plastech Solutions, transforming manufacturing through innovation and precision. Established in 2006, we operate 4 advanced manufacturing units in Sanaswadi, Pune, spanning 1 lakh plus square feet, with 55 injection molding machines, ranging from 25 tons to 2,500 tons. Supported by 250 plus dedicated workforce, we have capacity to process up to 6,000 metric tons plastic material per annum to deliver high-quality solutions in plastics and automation. At Plastech, we offer a comprehensive range of services, including thermoplastic and thermoset injection molding, product and tool development, energy-saving projects, turnkey installation and retrofitting of heavy machinery. Our capabilities extend from part design and prototyping to fully integrated production and assembly lines. We specialize in manufacturing high-precision components for a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, healthcare, oil and gas, consumer goods, and infrastructure. Our expertise allows us to produce parts as small as 0.1 grams to as large as 10 kilograms, meeting the most demanding requirements. We have world-class inspection facilities. We develop project right from product design to mass production. Over the years, we have built strong relationships with global and domestic clients, serving markets across India, Europe, and America. Our IoT 4.0 smart factory automation platform is a key differentiator. With real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and energy analytics, we provide actionable insights that reduce downtime, optimize energy use, and improve overall efficiency. Our centralized dashboards ensure complete control over every operation, anywhere, anytime. At Plastech Solutions, we are committed to innovation, excellence, and sustainability. Together, let's shape the future of manufacturing.